Okay, welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Fine, sir. Welcome, sir. Okay, what do you want more to do for you now?
I don't know what is wrong with my car. The car is just been checking. I don't know. I want you to please help me check it, please.
Okay, open the bonnet. Open the bonnet. Open bonnet.
Since last week, this thing has been disturbing me. I don't know. I can't even go anywhere again. Help me check that in a bed.
Lord of Zachariah. Hey! Thank God say you bring this motor come here, Oga.
What happened?
Hey! Oga, the motor don't finish. Oga, if I tell you what to do this motor, the plug, it don't fire, means fire cannot give exhaust. Exhaust cannot give radiator, radiator cannot give gearbox. From gearbox, it cannot give auto bus. From auto bus to gearbox. Oga,
what will we go do now?
It's what they say. He said that we sell the car, or if you bring a help you sell it. The car don't go.
Sell my own car.
Okay, as I tell you, that's not somebody bring a car here.
Yeah, thank you for watching us on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to give us a thumbs up. Drop your comment down. Thanks. Yeah.